What will win in a drag race between a Xiaomi SU7 Ultra and a Ferrari SF90 XX? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow. To make our race as fair as possible, we're going to toss a coin to decide who will be driving which car. Which one do you want to drive?
This.
You want to drive that?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Lewis, did you go to my company course?
Heads or tails?
Blackjack tails.
Come on! Okay, you're in the Ferrari, I'm in the electric car. Fair's fair. You're better at tossing than me.
I'm good at tossing.
It's always
That's marriage.
tossing. Sam, do you think you're going to win?
Ferrari don't lie.
No. We'll find out. This has worked out perfectly for me because the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra is one of the most powerful electric cars ever made. It has 3 electric motors, 1 on the front axle and 2 on the rear, giving it all-wheel drive. And combined, it has 1,548 horsepower and 1,770 newton meters of torque, which is even more than a Bugatti's Chiron. However, it's very heavy. The car weighs in at 2,360 kilograms. But it's also dead cheap. Well, in China at least, because it costs 530,000 yuan. That's about £56,000. The Ferrari SF90 XX is not cheap though. It costs from £670,000. It uses a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 797 horsepower and 804 newton meters of torque, and this drives the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. However, just like the Xiaomi, it also has 3 electric motors, 2 on the front axle and 1 on the rear. These give it all-wheel drive and boost the power output to 1,030 horsepower. And despite all that tech, it's not that heavy, weighing in at 1,660 kilograms. But before we could find out which car is the quickest, I needed to find out how to put the Xiaomi into launch mode. But there was a problem. This car has a thing where you have to wait for 60 seconds before you can launch it. Sam, are you confident?
By how long it's taking you to figure out that, yeah, I am very confident.
I don't know what to do, it's all in Chinese. Step 1, turn on drag racing in settings mode. Step 2, wait until the vehicle reaches peak performance readiness, you can skip the set. Straighten the steering on press 4. I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Hell. Whoa.
Holy look at it go!
Why is it going crazy? What happened there, Sam?
I'll tell you what happened. You just vanished. Oh my God. You still look like a yellow vape going down the road, so I'm not really bothered, to be honest with you.
This is crazy. Oh my God. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Xiaomi won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 9.3 seconds. The Ferrari took 10.2 seconds. Right, so this time, Sam, I think we race over the half mile to give you a half chance, okay?
Okay. You still look like a yellow vape.
3, 2, 1.
I mean, this is just freaking crazy.
Better launch.
I don't know what it's going to do. I don't know why it's going so crazy.
I mean,
where is that Ferrari? Just miles away.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, it's a bit sketch on the old brakes.
3, 2, 1.
I mean, it veers about a bit.
That was better.
my God, it's fast as crazy.
Better 0 to 60.
Fast as crazy, that's not even a word! Or sentence, oh my God, this is nuts!
Better quarter mile.
Oh, it's so fast! Whoa, and it's skittish on the brakes. It doesn't like it because of the lines everywhere. Woo! This thing is ballistic. Absolutely blooming bonkers. I just never thought a Ferrari would be so humble, did you?
No, it's absolutely insane. I mean, this is just on this quickest time.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Xiaomi won. It completed the standing half mile in 14.5 seconds and the Ferrari took 15.7 seconds. Amazingly, the Xiaomi's half mile time is quicker than the quarter mile times I've got in a Toyota GR86, a Mazda MX-5 and even a Nissan R33 GTR. It's pretty incredible. But speed counts for nothing in the next test. Now we go a brake test from 100 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. The car that stops in the shortest distance wins. Right, let's do it. Let's get up to 160 kilometers an hour, which is 100 miles an hour. Here comes the cones. 3, 2, 1. Here's the line. Get into park. Do you know what, Sam? You won, but this wasn't bad, really.
Yeah, it wasn't bad, but again, we could do this all day in this car and you've probably maybe got one more in you in that.
Yeah, you're probably right. Now you might be wondering, why was this SF90 XX so slow? We've seen on carwow before that a normal SF90 can do the standing quarter mile in 9.6 seconds. So what's going on? Well, the day before we filmed, there was a large storm in the area, and as a result, there's quite a bit of sand on the drag strip. This meant that the Ferrari really struggled to put its power down, as when it launches, most of the grunt still goes to the rear wheels, even though it's four-wheel drive. However, the Xiaomi didn't struggle at all. Because it can distribute the power better between the front and rear axle and really control the power delivery because it's fully electric, it was able to manage any traction issues and deploy its grunt much better than the hybrid Ferrari. I want to say a big thank you to the Abu Dhabi government and the LA municipality for the fantastic infrastructure at the Til Al Swayhan facility. This allows owners to fully enjoy their cars and creations in a safe environment. And we sure had a lot of fun using it. Huge thanks also to People of Fate who've brought the cars down. Check them out, they're in Dubai, amazing showroom. And Supercar Majlis, which is the Supercar Club and Hypercar Club, which has just brought down loads of cars, a lot of their members, for us to play with their toys. And thanks to you for watching. And if you want to see these cars' quarter mile times compared to everything else we've ever drag raced, then click on the carwow logo. You can watch some other videos by clicking on the windows. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.